Okay, some of you might be able to relate to me, some might not be able to, but I have a lot of clothes, and as of right now, I'm trying to figure out how to style them. My closet has dresses and rompers on the left, long sleeves on the right. Bottom right, we have short sleeves. There are so many shirts that I have loved, but now they are just stained and I use them for work. Some of them I have never tried on before and I have been given as like a hand-me-down. This is one of my favorite items of clothing, and sadly now it has nail polish on the sleeve, white nail polish. Here's another one of my favorites. I just feel like I can only wear it with mainly leggings, but I only have one pair of leggings and they're getting pretty old. I use this shirt as a pajama shirt. I love this shirt and I wear it on top of a white one because it is kind of see-through, but it's getting warm weather. Here's another one of those same designs. I got a whole bunch of them for Christmas. Here's a gray one. And it just keeps going. I love this shirt, but it always gets covered in hair. It is a magnet. Here is a white under t-shirt, a black under t-shirt, another pajama. This one always gets wrinkly. Oversized pajamas, everyday, whatever. Another undershirt. I like this one, but it also gets wrinkly a lot. Pajama, camo, kind of bored of it. Another black under tee, a crop one. These two right here are see-through. Here's a short green one. This one is like the smiley face one. It collects a lot of hair. So many dresses to look through, and cardigans and overalls and so many things. I don't have as many pants as I do have shirts, so sometimes it's kind of hard to match them up, but I can make it work. This is my outfit today. It is a Beach Boys shirt and just some ripped jeans. It has a hole in it and it's got some stains, but I literally got it from the DI for like $4, so whatever. I have some jeggings, jeans, ripped jeans. These ones are some of my all-time favorite. They are flowy. Ignore my dresser, but these ones are super flowy and super comfortable, but I can only normally wear them with a black shirt that I have been able to find so far. Same thing goes with these pants, because super flowy, really pretty, but I can only normally wear them with them looking good on me with the clothes I have. Undershirt, black undershirt tucked in. Another drawer just full of crazy pattern leggings and some more jeans in the back. My pajama drawer is pretty stocked, but we're not going to talk about that today. And something from in here that I wouldn't normally wear, or that I have and I have forgotten about, and make it work. Yesterday I just cleared a whole bunch of my clothes, and that is what inspired me to do today's video. I have this black oversized loose fit tee from Time and True that I got from my sister. It looks really dirty on camera, but hopefully it's not actually like that. And I have a pair of green pants that I think I can pair with it. Hopefully it works out. I have the shirt on right now, and I just want to show you what it looks like right now because it is pretty big. I don't know if I will keep it or not because I feel like it can stay on, but also I feel like it can be way too big at the same time. This is what it looks like. Ignore my dirty mirror and my dirty room, but this is what it looks like, just normal. I don't know if it, I feel like it could work with these jeans in the winter, but I have just a simple jewel necklace on and some hoop earrings. Oh, my hair's caught in it, but that's what it looks like with these pants. The full outfit put together, and I'm kind of excited about it. I can't tell you if I like it or not yet. This is what it looks like. Okay, so oversized black t-shirt with my cargo pants. I think this is a pretty perfect outfit for the winter. As long as I match it up with some sort of jewelry. Here it is. I'm not wearing shoes with this one yet, but this is what it looks like. I'm really quite liking it. Time to find out what the next outfit will be. I think everyone has a place in their heart for cardigans, and I haven't done anything with this one yet since I just got it, also for my sister. I feel like it would work. I don't know yet. Let me look and find out. I will not wear this. Maybe it's a look, I don't know. I just put it on top of what I'm wearing right now. Definitely not with the pants, but I feel like with the shirt it can look pretty decent. Let me find some pants. I think I found something that will work. It gives me like language arts teacher vibes, but I'll show you anyway. So this is what I came up for with the top. I just tucked it in, and then I just put back on the same blue pants I had on earlier, and I actually think it works out pretty good. We'll see. And I think I'll do one more outfit for you guys, and then that will be it for today's video. I have this beautiful Valentine's Day top. I wear it other days besides Valentine's Day. It is a sweater, like for warm days only. See, short sleeves, long sleeves, short sleeves, long sleeves. Summer's coming up, winter's over. All of the ones I've been trying on today have been long sleeves, but I normally wear this shirt with the pants I'm wearing right now or leggings, so I'm gonna see if I can style it with like a different pair of pants. I went through my pants and I found out that most of them are either jeans, light blue, or some sweats, but I did find these ones. But I don't think I want to wear flowers on hearts. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm going to find a shirt to go with these pants, because I feel like I don't wear them enough because I don't know what to wear them with. So I think I'm gonna go through my wardrobe and look for something to wear with these pants. If you're wondering where I got these pants, they're from Shein, and this shirt is from H&M. These pants are pretty hard to style with clothes that I currently have. Let me show you. These pants, right? And I have this shirt, and I love them both. But I don't think this shirt goes with these pants very well. The shirt, this one collects hair. This one's just plain undershirt, so is this one. That's a pajama one. This one, actually, hold up. We can maybe use this one. Let me try it. I'm not sure what I think. I think it's a no for me. Let me show you. It's the oversized t-shirt. Here are the oversized pants. This is what it looks like together. It's a no for me, I think. This shirt with oversized pants, they just have to be like a black or like gray, like a dark gray. But definitely not for me. I'm gonna have to do some online shopping to look for some short sleeve shirts that go with his pants. Did you guys see my prom dress in the background? It's hanging up here and puts glitter literally everywhere. But that's besides the point. That will be everything for me today, and I'll see you guys next time.